Here's another set of 10 interesting facts. Did you know that wombats have cube-shaped poop? It helps prevent their droppings from rolling away and marks their territory. Pretty neat, huh? Speaking of strange animals, did you know that sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins? They can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater, while dolphins can only hold theirs for about 10 minutes. Here's a cool one. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes. It was between the British Empire and the Sultanate of Zanzibar in 1896. Talk about a quick conflict. Did you know that the longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years? Charles Osborne, an American man, had hiccups continuously for over 6 decades before they finally stopped. Here's something for the history buffs. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the first moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. She lived about 2,000 years after the pyramid was built, but the moon landing was only 2,000 years after her time. Ever wondered why flamingos are pink? They get their color from the food they eat, especially algae and crustaceans that are rich in carotenoids. Without them, they'd actually be white or gray. Here's a strange one. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. It's not much, but it's still impressive for a bird that typically doesn't fly. Did you know that there's a type of rain that's called blood rain? It happens when red-colored dust or sand particles mix with rain, giving the water a reddish hue. It's most common in places like the Sahara Desert. Did you know that octopuses have been known to escape from aquariums? There have been multiple reports of octopuses slipping out of their tanks, crawling across floors, and even making their way into other tanks to hunt. And finally, did you know that apples float in water? About 25% of an apple's volume is air, which makes it less dense than water. That's why they float.